Let's talk about this iPhone thing you got at the front, and then we'll get into the real hard-hitting, hot news of whatever the hell Will's doing behind me here with 17 cars. iPhone 14 Pro faced unprecedented setback leading to removal of a new graphics processor. Apple planned a major generational update for the iPhone 14 Pro's graphics capabilities, but was forced to scrap plans for the new GPU late in development after unprecedented missteps were discovered. Missteps? Ooh.
Titular.
The information claimed that Apple engineers were too ambitious in adding new features to the graphics processor designed for the iPhone 14 Pro, including features like ray tracing, which, speaking of titillated, that there might be no other term that gets Will do hot and bothered more than ray tracing.
It's a hot word.
There's Tesla, Bronco, and ray tracing.
In order.
Oh, can't say them 3 times.
No teaser. No spoiler. Teaser. Spoiler. Stop teasing.
Yeah.
Mo, you saw Avatar.
Yes, I did.
On the day it came out. Mm-hmm. And
I'm going to go watch it again this weekend with my family.
That's a good time.
Yeah, man. I'm
It's
pumped.
family friendly. Mm-hmm. So.
I've been telling Lou to take his kids. They're going to have a blast watching that movie.
a lighting technique to achieve a further level.
Rude.
What even is this show? So it's supposed to have ray tracing. It's supposed to have RTX in it. Well, did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
But
I'm exaggerating.
it's inevitable, right?
Yeah, that the smartphone becomes the central gaming hub at some point. They wanted that. They were like, wow, game streaming and this and that. And then people were like, lag. And they were like, cyberpunk sucks. And it was a setback.
Yeah.
But you do have to believe in what Apple's done with the iPhone. I mean, the iPhone's a beast, man. It's doing some stuff. It's doing some stuff. And it's hitting some benchmarks. It's playing some games. And it continues to amaze you. However, we're just desensitized to it. We're like, yeah. Of course I can chop a video on my phone. Of course I can play a game on my phone. Of course I can shoot some 4K 60 frames on my phone. Yeah, that's what I do.
I feel like gaming, though, for Apple, they haven't really, went in there.
Went in there.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. They have their arcade thing.
Yeah, but not hardware. You know what I mean?
Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying.
It would be nice to have like a GPU in an iPhone, just so they can get that gaming circle.
Yeah, well, it does, for the record. I mean, you have a GPU.
Oh, like a powerful one.
You're saying, yeah, Will's looking for something
To handle like AAA games.
bigger.
Yeah.
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 Well, AAA cut.
You're talking about steak?
That's right.
Like Wagyu?
Oh.
AAA cut of beef
Yeah.
is, and once it's
Oh, wait, no, that's A5.
nothing AAA is A5, level 5.
I don't know if it's the same
Oh, it's the same, all right.
level tier system.
Yeah, it is.
but-
Yeah.
Okay.
None of this has to do with games.
Well, it's your fault. You want to talk about Avatar all day.
Well, that's actually true. I do want to talk about Avatar, but none of you two have seen it, so
None
I
of
can't.
us. No. You know what was weird? I heard that it's no longer number 1 already.
Yeah, but
Don't just gloss over.
hold on.
No glossy.
A lot of James Cameron movies, they're long tail. They take like even Avatar 1, it didn't do like incredible day 1.
Yeah.
But it stayed in theaters forever.
I don't know, when you had the hype around this and the whatever $400 billion it cost to make it,
Yeah.
$2 trillion,
$2 billion.
you imagine people be rushing out to see it.
Yeah, I think the timing for the release is just bizarre.
Is it too late in the Christmas season or the holiday season?
Everybody I'm trying to make plans with to be like, let's go watch Avatar, they're like, dude, we're booked up this month. Like,
Right.
I'm not going to go watch a 3-hour movie. I got like families and dinners and etc. So I just think the timing for the release is a little bizarre. Maybe in like September would have been.
Your friends telling you they're booked up.
Yeah. My two friends.
They might be trying to tell you something else.
Yeah. It's you too.
I'm booked up. I'm booked up. I'm gonna use that. I'm booked up. Like, I'm booked up.
You can actually use it because you are always booked up.
I'm booked up. Listen, I'm booked up. The report goes on to reveal how Apple's chip design team has been forced to contend with a loss of talent in recent years, with the company having lost dozens of key people to various silicon design companies since 2019, as well as interpersonal feuds and lawsuits. Whoa.
Who do you think's jacking their employees?
Drama. I mean, everybody wants this stuff. You kidding me? Chip design? Mm-hmm. Everybody's looking for that.
Yeah.
Google's looking for that. Zuckerberg's looking for that. Elon's probably looking for that. Who's not looking for that?